Thanks, David. The murders shocked the nation, and tonight the evidence is finally being heard in the Kaufman County DA murders. Former Justice of the Peace Eric Williams was arrested in April of 2013 after the shootings of prosecutor Mark Hasse in January and DA Mike McClellan and his wife in March. The first trial is for Cynthia McClellan's death. NBC5's Ken Kaltoff is live in Rockwall, where this trial is being held. Ken?
Brian, relatives of these victims packed the courtroom here today after waiting nearly 2 years to see justice in this case. The special prosecutor in his opening statement said the only justice is to find Eric Williams guilty of capital murder. Bill Werski said the case is airtight and the evidence overwhelming. 16 shell casings were recovered from the home of Mike and Cynthia McClellan. They match a bullet fragment recovered from Eric Williams' Seagoville storage unit. A white Ford was recovered in that unit too, and it matches a getaway car seen at the crime. The prosecutor said the jury will see video of that car coming and going at the storage unit that day. The most emotional testimony was from McClellan's son-in-law, who went to their house with his mom and found the bodies.
She just fell to her knees and started crying. And then she pointed and said, "There's shell casings right under your feet."
I will believe you will be left with no doubt at all, that this man killed Mike and Cynthia McClellan. And he killed them because Mike McClellan, as a prosecutor, stood up in a court of law in front of a judge and asked a jury for justice.
Today, when the defense waived their right to give an opening statement, that's an indication that they really don't have anything to say, which means they don't have a defense at the guilt or innocence stage.
It appears the defense will focus strictly on the punishment phase, hoping to avoid a death sentence. This trial could take weeks. Reporting live in Rockwall, Ken Kaltoff, NBC5.
Thank you, Ken. Well,